Hi everyone, I am Anagha from Access Language School, and in this video let us discuss about certain tips which may help you out in your reading subtest part A of the OET examination or the Occupational English Test examination. Now, as we all know, the reading section is considered to be comparatively easier when compared to the other sections where you can get a good score. So here are some tips which may help you out in order to get a good score. The first one is, whenever you are provided with your preparation time, try to skim through the passage. Now most of us have this habit of reading the passage in detail, line by line, word by word, but it is unnecessary or it's just a sheer waste of time. Instead, try to skim through the passage by understanding the important and unimportant points, by marking the relevant headings and subheadings if provided, and also try to read the first line of each and every paragraph, which will help you to formulate a general understanding of the entire passage. This will be easier when you try to locate your answers. Second thing is, never lose record of your previous reading. Now what happens is, when we start answering our questions, we tend to forget, or otherwise we are unable to recollect what all understandings we have formulated regarding our previous readings. So never lose the track of your previous readings. Third thing is, try to produce the exact spellings which are present in the passage, unlike the listening subtest. Here we need the exact spellings in order to grab correct score. Next thing is, always be ready to skip a question. Now for example, you have answered 10 questions and there is only 2 minutes left and you are unable to find an answer to the 11th question. What will you do? Skip the question and move on to the next question. Otherwise you will lose your time. And the last tip is, always provide yourself with sufficient supporting materials. As I always mention, practice is something which will always make you perfect, along with getting a trained assistance or an assistance from a trained OET tutor who will help you in order to track your progress as well as recognize your mistakes and provide the adequate training necessary. So these all are some of the useful tips which will definitely help you in order to get through your reading subtest, especially the part A of the OET examination. And I hope it was informative and useful. Thank you.